ANOVA stands for Analysis of Variance. It is a statistical technique that is used to check if the means of two or more groups are significantly different from each other. We will see how one-way ANOVA is calculated. Suppose a manager of a retail firm has planned to conduct promotional activities to boost sales during the festival season, but he is not sure which one would be an effective campaign. So, he conducted a small exercise with 3 stores to understand which one he should implement. In this example, the impact of the campaigns on sales can be studied by comparing the means of sales. If the differences in the means are statistically different from each other, then we can conclude that there may be an impact of the promotional campaign on sales. To calculate the ANOVA, F-stats, in an Excel sheet, go to the Data tab and click on the Data Analysis. As we are checking for the impact of marketing campaigns, select the one-factor ANOVA. Select the input range, that is all the columns including the column headings. We are assuming a significance level of 5%, and select the output range. Click on OK. You will get a table with the details of the campaign names and the counts and averages of each. Also squares of variations within and between the groups. The degree of freedom for between groups is taken as 3 groups minus 1 equals 2 and the degree of freedom within groups is total number of samples that 30 minus 3 categories, which equals 27. Mean of squares, MS, is calculated as the sum of squares, SS, divided by degree of freedom. And F-stat is calculated as MS, between groups, divided by MS, within groups. Here the value of F-stat comes out as 4.65 and the p-value is 0.018. Since the calculated p-value is less than the critical value of 0.05, we can say that there is a significant statistical difference between the means of the sales. But in this case, we are not sure about which campaign is more effective. So, we can independently check this with t-test between the 2 variables. Here we need to run the t-test 3 times in different combinations of variables. Go to Data tab and click on Data Analysis. Select t-test, 2 sample assuming equal variances. Select the first variable no promotion and then the second with discounts. Assume the hypothesized means as 0 and the significance level is 5%. Select the output range and click on OK. You will get another table with t-test statistics. Focus on the p-values of this t-test between no promotion and discounts. As the value of p is less than 0.05, we can state that there is a significant difference between the two. Looking at the means, we can conclude that the mean of sales is higher when discounts are offered. Hence discounts have a significant impact on sales as compared to no discount. Repeat the process for all the possible combinations of the variables. Here, with respect to t-test between no promotion and celebrity endorsement, the p-value is 0.47, which is more than 0.05, hence we can conclude that celebrity endorsement has no impact on sales. Now, let's try for the remaining combination of the variables for the t-test. In this case, t-test between discounts offered and celebrity endorsement, the p-value is less than 0.05, hence the value of means has a significant difference. Looking at means, we can say that the discount plays a major role than the celebrity endorsement. In conclusion, we can surely say that discounts is the major promotional tools which impact the sales of the store, and it is recommended to manager to run a promotional campaign considering the appropriate discounts. If you understand the concept, please share and subscribe to the channel.